Hakuna Matata, my country people are throwing a big salute for us today. You fit call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. 1 o'clock, now victory time. I don't come again for some who take side chakara, all come by kind to read for talk about trouble that happen for inside this we country way. What you take when I go to for National Assembly? SDF, parliamentarians, they say non-donga men, it no go continue to happen when they never first look into Anglophone crisis. Ndonga men stop. All manner they see waiting, go come next. After that side, we'll take una bring una images for that side for Ekake, for that side for Tiko, for bad roads. Inside Tiko town, na electric poles already fall, Jengu. We will go that side. Douala, Kumba Road. In fact, potholes already there for roads. Then after Munya, that side, and need to talk again. We will visit that side too. We will come over that side too. We will take una go to that side for Kumbu for talk about SDO. It for that side for Kumbu. Where he allows and for Tobin yesterday, where population really come up for welcoming, say it came to street for inside like a sugar, will take her to work over that side. Mr. Christian, he solo a birth certificate about 1 week ago for that side for Jakiri. For some kind way with it, so no money understand and for Sika say this makes man for that side for Jakiri. Jandan they become catchy for that side, carry for Waka go time where they even buoy before one carry and go before allow solo a better so we'll come back to take una go for that side for talk about all the story that happen for inside the country, even that power for 40 years way, power for 8 picking way is solo a better for that side for Kikai come, for some small quarter come for that side talk of all this story we go chakaram. Today, for that side for Zimbabwe, a Mixon, when a Oga Kwata, he don't stand for front population. I so swear, like how Papa Popo be doing. Today, as I come back, we go enter first to read proper. If you call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. Me will take time for such chakra na today. Take una go to that side for National Assembly yesterday for another time between 10 and 11 o'clock for morning time. It no be easy for them. The story just start like say nakayo, Hormone band and come on chakra to for that side. Then after they talk to this, so he finds them in a look into this palaver anglophone problem. You know, say all the minister of finance be there for that side because they go talk to palaver budget, all that one, all my mission, and they be even glad. Say no, at least they go try work better work yesterday. As far as the parliamentarian they don't accept for come for that side for chakra to do them for some they struggle for see how country it will go for before. But time when them they come on the stand not to oh boy, they say they so. That part they talk about money, where plenty people they sleep for Wasapita, then for the northwest, one they sleep for Wasapita or southwest, one they run all come on go Nigeria, they like refugee them for that side. Not to talk of the one they don't enter Belief and Donfa or go for America, Germany, all that side and so. So they make as northwest and southwest, they only dry every day, pour the whole, even though you don't even contaminate people for Littoral and Central Joseph. Don't give me. You don't contaminate for that side. Now you with them too, they say Tege. Non-Donga men no go control to go on for National Assembly until they talk about Palava Anglophone problem. Even though, voila, Mr. President said, I declare close. Didn't Donga men tell me any man go for the SDF parliamentarian. They say no, then go see she don't small. For see any other pathway, he want join them for inside in their fight. More ask Honorable Banda for that side make it tell we why they decide for react. The way they don't react so for that side for parliament.
Meeting and behaving as though there is no problem, whereas we on a daily basis. Before we came out here, we had to visit hospitals to see how many are lying in the various hospitals who were shot on their legs. And today, as we are talking, we have thousands of West Cameroonians out there in Nigeria and are becoming refugees. We have said that this House will not sit until it is sitting to find a solution for the Anglophone crisis. And that's why we're waiting. If the CBD has decided to run away, let them run as far as they want to be. They will come back to meet us here. Or they do not, then nothing will take place in this House.
So is the SDF saying that no deliberation will take place?
No deliberation will take place when we have not yet found a solution to the Anglophone crisis.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on for that side this time around, control take una go to that side for Southwest for talk about Palava bad roads, and for that side for inside Tico for talk about even though people for Eco Care they behold their own small cultural week for that side for take side so they more promote culture. But outside road for Go Village. Tomorrow for Monday we'll come back for bringing how the cultural week takes time through the way to go for Eco Care. Eh? See road, Okada, they push am. Sometimes private car they come so after the run push so it just tire. Pack I for corner road say no, better I take my Go Village when I go to come back. Small motor they can't tie. People the guys say no, I want to go my village. Which if see transport motor I think that cultural we can't turn business one way where I see this whole way you don't make up your mind say you must go village. You go more take time for go somewhere and see how transport motor they would okay. I don't even make and say transport for that side transport fare it don't take and now go up to take go up with all my so they want so we can't nurture it. Why Chico cancer same no even help them. Throw send even caterpillar. They keep that caterpillar and so you do now wait. Even 4-wheel drive, it can't tight for that side because to the road too is small. That road like that for tomato. They say the road so they need to open the road. If the road big, at least when two motors they meet up, another one will go fall for inside and they go struggle for manage their own lifetime and see how the thing happen for inside Chico so comparable. Donado mo come for that side for inside Chico, but no more judgment for inside Chico for that side for can we go for Boma Street? And yo, I bet when I go for Boma Street for Chico. Go move the electric pole and they don't fall jangle for on top people their house. People they don't write book for now. They complain when I want to make a born house before I can move them. When I want to make a born house before I can move them. Electric pole they fall jangle left and right. Left and right. If you never fall stay light cut. Sometimes they fall light your cut, they go tell you no, we see wait. See how came there. I think it is like saying how they call that thing? Spider house. See I let people don't come out. Telephone the pass for there, lantern the pass for there. Then they other one they call say cablage. You pass to now so the pass any man just rap and left and right. And when you don't fall now so no money they can't climb to again. So and you are begging to go for that side for Boma. More ask on me, don't more ask on one woman for that side for Boma to make tell we. The poll, it's they don't go talk for a new semi they can move on or then two they just look and look.
I just go for here at the fear will not be so much as do that. People don't come for here for long time. These people, the company, they don't agree for can't fix the pole, for can't change the pole. I say that's at the fear for night at least if I sleep. It will cut the falls on top of my house one day. All me and my people will be fear because na big risk. These people they don't not for can't change the pole for long time where it don't be for here. They go get complaint, they never come. So
when you go give complaint, they need to take time for come look and set before they even see how to go put security measure for that side for to say latrine na big danger. But more take una go away after it's the market for Moyoka, it takes time catch fire for around that kind 10 to 11 o'clock so for 9 with business for them they understand call and say oh when I come on struggle for fight to for security fire. But question mark way different and say the fire. Let's go forget picture image for that fire for that side for Moyoka market way. People don't confuse. Na ghost town fire, oh na and your fire. Oh na some man don't forget iron for market. Oh na some man don't leave the disjunctor don't remain a flow because when fire catch for northwest and southwest, because around 6 story burn for that side if not be ghost town fire, na and your fire. Now when business for the cocoa, you make phone call any man they run camp for that side. Oh my soul, sometimes being a master they can't struggle. Cause things struggle for their own kind way, so struggle. So lost they want to feel lost and for saying make enough join the whole the other shop the way they talk about 6 business people now all in different side they cry people they say whoa I go start for once again. December don't do me the year so now can't think. Now, can't now when I see how business for us they take second so they want the government really put hand for a year for them and for even help them for that side way. Mayor King Michael too, all man is still for year this so whether he go do how Mr. Mayor, they don't give you too much, you know how you go do for the country. Eh? Now they put you for up now. So Mayor go leave them so see what he cause the fire. But I know why whether Mr. Mayor don't call the 2 minutes come for that second see they go open investigation for know what he caused the fire. No man, we never hear that one. But okay, more ask some business people for that time they tell you how this fire start and which they don't lose them.
Come to Mas Tangando. This is my store. They called me around 12:30 in the night. Before I got here, everything was already burned like this. Came when everything was damaged. I've lost about 15 million francs inside this fire. I want the government to intervene because, you know, this is my life. Everything's gone. I'm frustrated.
My junior man came and gave me the complaint. My mom was crying. Then my dad was asking what happened. Say, how did the thing go? I said, I don't know. My friend is on the chair sleeping. I talked to my friend, said, Papa, my store don't burn. This store also cost about 3 million. CFE. We did for inside the store because I get plenty all that in there.
At about 11 o'clock, I had a phone call from one tenor who was sleeping in the market called Madame Olivia. She called me and informed me, Mr. President, your market is on fire. I immediately got up, ran to the market. As I was coming, I saw the watch night was opening the gate. I ran in the middle. I was the first person to come in, followed by 2 guys who were holding some irons on their hands. When we came in, we saw that the fire had ravaged 6 stores. 6 stores have already been consumed. So what I did as the first person on scene was that I took a plank and I cut off all the cables that was linking to this store in order that fire should not cross to the other burning. Later on, we struggled to break this attachment in order that fire should not get to the other store. Then later on, we went to the next store, which was the 4th store. We had to struggle to open the store because we succeeded opening the store because the store was a plank door.
Succeed for open and rescue small kako so for that side for Moyoka Mako the press so may government try intervene give them even as much for 70 start but now I say when you be businessman struggle for the payer insurance when it happens so you just cross your foot you should know say this so your capital will come back as you be sent out. We continue to mark to read this house we come over that side for Moyoka they come back for this side for Boya Road. Even when you come out Douala before you want to reach for Mutengene. See highway national road. About you see road, camion or anybody bend and left, right. About Chapera at least because when motor is slow for that side, for 9 and so Tibor and now the commoner can't wait, they hold you small for that side, takes that to press their own neck, take the small if you take out that side, they recourse so. Oga Mayor. Now boy, oh no, on the one from Moyoka, now, no, eh? When I try to do something, see how they feel being greater, I don't mean motor they can't pass because camion they can't slow, they can't tight for them, they small push and a push arm. You come, you don't know road sometimes, and with motor they want come down that bending corner before you pass, as you pass Munya market, you want to take that bending corner as rotate, they always stand for that side. So you need to know the reason for front, it don't spoil. Yeah? And when no speed breaks enough a day, you want just surprise. What if you do wrong with high speed, you go on enter for inside pothole for that side. Tron once when I see how motor they really walk over that side like a Nyamangoro so for takes us to travel with all my to say new palava rusuna waiting to happen. We pot holes in with the joke come on for Finland. But when you come out Douala before one Mutengene, you go metal back the potholes and stay even go limbe. Potholes and there for road left, right. Why? One out for sure, no? So now I want to so that road they fine. When I road in the condition for the car they see him motor walk up road. So I mean any man up walk on a 4-wheel drive. See? Why? Cameroon. We come on the knack to this time around, so Macedonia. Take with this time around, go to that side for Zimbabwe. Today, na day we procurator for that side, big oga for big man for procurator for that side for Zimbabwe. He be talk say Emerson, where Papa Mugabe don't sign books, say I don't live for free. Now today we woke up, Jake hand for up, say he go respect and it call population for that side for Zimbabwe for reconciliation. So they come back strong for see how they go build back, because plenty people they don't run, come on, go outside. So when they don't go South Africa, so when they go America, so when they go for France, or they don't run, come for outside. So they call on population for Zimbabwe. So when I come back for our country, may they see how they will build. And don't know, let's go figure the image of that side for Zimbabwe for talk how the ceremony takes to go on for this way. Michel le Procureur talk they can sign big book, can take and sign. As you sign, so they way they want me you come out to, so you go take sign. So it's not the interim president we it take over Robert Mugabe. You know, say, man, he don't work for corner Papa Mugabe for about 50 years. Yeah? Then, Palava corner law with him record. If you want to say carry in send for backbench where you two they don't send you out of the country, put nana mama. Yes, like how mommy pass away, when daddy pass away, no, they are not mommy pass away be in charge now. So that's so the team one takes us to happen for outside for Zimbabwe, but a last population military first stand take them hostage, then they say, Papa, I beg resign. You don't fail over 93 years. You don't do anything for power. If you just say gun down shoot for you, not for you want that for power, huh? So another way stands up for talk say so you don't stand now so for takes time so say make him manage the country for better way. Why did they wait on presidential election when it come up small time to compare it happen for that side for Zimbabwe? Come over that side for Zimbabwe, Masarolan, Donaldo. More take we back go to take and go. We carry we go to that side for Kumbu. SDO, Mr. Simon, it takes time. SDO for Bui, Mr. Simon, it takes time. Do it tough for that side. We visit all the 6 divisions inside Bui division. Takes time. Do it. See, Palava Banga away the smoker. See, Palava crime they comment for inside with division. Work a see problem they for different market, jackering, go for Noni, go for that side for Nkum, go for I think work all then he can end up for that side for Tobin. We that for play way he own office takes out on the front side. Government bilingual high school student them they come out plenty with a uniform there for country. Papa, you're welcome. Even though they don't put you since October, they be put you for chair for that side for boy. It takes time so enter for inside trunk fire, burning of schools, all they want them. Even that banga, I know that bush, but that banga there for inside. Eh? So it talks all the one must stop. I make it to them when they walk all the line because you know next job office and say one see a picture. He work I say all man for field, all man. He work and go for that side. Even some place they will go same road no they go reach so he work and see even Mr. Mayor them for that side even the first deputy mayor they take side they welcome and say no Mr. Edio welcome. We go take side welcome you and even though he call say this so he don't come and he want work hand in hand with the population say anything they can't see because say this so all thing na dialogue. If you dialogue all thing will work and fine but we want use power for other people them but the population for Kumbu they call Papa SDO take this so Kumbu need the worker, they need the show. 7 o'clock, Kumbu don't sleep. So they woke up for 6 o'clock. Ngame me day, but men they cry. People they get hotel, they didn't do nothing again. So they say Papa SDO. The way we kitu that it takes time manage Kumbu for that side, make it do something. If you really want the population that support, because they need the job worker at all, military now don't tell me na. Now any man now for himself. And you know they take any place two man they find out small one for chop, small one for chop, small one for chop. So they really beg say make trouble for do something with a military put away the day for that side, Mammy and two, they can dance, smoke on the dance for welcome, Master LGO for that side for Buisho, with Simon, even though small for the to come on now. Eh? Or the other deal and they come up for different areas and they come for that side can support it. But any day, Master Donald, no ask one part for that side, make it tell we. How Kumbu the worker and what did they expect for Mr. SDO?
Life for Kumbu no you know the worker. Because me like person where don't be for this town where I fit to say I be man of the soil. I be man of the soil. No need to know the worker. No need to know the worker. For we here, everything be the stand still. With the harassment, the way we military they be all around. For now they don't say from 7 o'clock to 6 o'clock. No person no fit the worker. I mean Achaba no fit the worker, but since we Achaba no the worker, people no fit the worker. And even the business too they stand. No need to need the worker. Even at the stand will be bankrupt. So I know she say if we continue so we no go well. We no go well. And well no day. And I talk say me they resolve this thing. And no be say we resolve so the way we go feel bad again. So I check say me they resolve this thing. Me they arrange this thing. this life. We life need a worker. Things they need a worker. The first say, you know, problem number you don't come up for this town again, but every people be in every place in the fear. Any man the fear. As I be so I the fear. I need to be for my compound safe because I don't know what if it happen tomorrow. So I know she say it will continue so. I think this country is a different country. And I see too I say with the what say make big man talk. We'll go right to this time now. And
we're on at the grandstand now. Yes. The message was clean and clear. Then the population should send back their children to school. And we are facing this problem of insecurity in our division. The population should know that the forces of law and order are here to protect them and their property, and also to protect our children to go to school freely. We have also come to tell them that they should work very hard instead of being involved in cultivating this Indian hemp.
Mr. Ezio condemned Palavambanga where he make and picking the needed thing for work, something or for work farm, they only prepare them for work to will give them fast money for that side. So he condemned all that one by population is begging for do something for Palava, the military way. He did for that side for Bui. Papa for 40 years for that side for Kikaikom, for some quarter they call and Takuv. Solo he birth certificate, they don't know the kind chemical he use and for kill himself for that side where he get problem woman, a woman don't go harvest corn with people, then buy me with the people that they drink where he not tell him as I say now, so it takes side to do some work for that side. The man that don't come, it holla, the woman now vex to rush, go police, go court communication, they carry power, they lucky for that side, panak 2 days, they allow pay 40,000, means he pay 1 day for 20,000 before one come up for sale. As he come back, hold the woman say so, you go give me back my money, or the marriage go finish down my last, hey. Me and you don't get 8 picking. We return the marriage go finish. How? That man say, okay, there you go. See, I'm now in this way don't sleep straight like one and so they prepare and only for go put it for inside this hole with the bury and for that side. Where he don't come out, carry one of your boy picking go work. And she say, you see the land, now I am my land. You see the other one, I don't sell them. You see the play, it start for you so finish for you. If any man can talk to you, die on top, now my property, now on a property than that, then he go now go drink him, come back for night. He just come, he is talk, avoiding the come out because if you don't drink some chemical way, he don't burn his belly for that side with the bottle bear way. It be hold on for that side where he allows so the Mojo ask on 1 or 2 people for that side. Mo ask on a friend make it tell me what really happen before this man he kill himself.
He find ku okay kai come taku pata. The particular boy where he died so he be my tight friend. He come last be last week. So my friend come tell me say they don't lock you for house. He tell me say me I borrow you money me go take that person for me go put bail for that person. And more money he go. Once where that boy go come, he come thank me say even though with me, you know what come up. He find cool okay.
His sister can't tell me say they so a brother they talk some kind where you know they understand. So if I no go meet up some other family member, tell you whether we tell you say nothing that way it talk, we go meet up ye. He talk for you say your brother they so you know they understand. He say he don't take his son your boy picking.
We will surely come back to for text everyone at this one for newscast for 4 o'clock so due to how time it can't be for that time. But I didn't do now. You know say the one at number 2 song because song where they ring for outside and now that one where they sing for National Assembly. We know sing that one. But just bring with the one way even handicap the dance or we don't play handicap the dance. Press that button more enjoy that music small. leave and tomorrow we'll finish. I will bring a complete so we'll talk about this one. Any idea can be the small trader or takes again for the time down Alaska. We will come back tomorrow after Saturday from 10 to 11:30 for talk about issue country meeting. We'll come back for Chakara all the Tuesday will run the show from Monday to Friday discourse and for proper way where we have call give an own contribution for talk to when take things so the feed for say make this one is stop. If not, catch me again on there for Monday. But don't forget I'm not thinking about that. Oh boy. Now weekend no. Make we go rest more.